Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the structure and various type of networks. And to start with, the structure of a network. A network comprises of several components along with their functionalities that contribute to the smooth functioning of a network. A sender is there, which is a device or a computer that sends the data. A receiver is there, which is also a device or a computer that receives the data. A message is the information in the form of text, image, audio or video which is being communicated. And a transmission medium is there, which is a physical path through which the data flows from sender to receiver. It can be cable, wire or radio waves also. A protocol, software for network, which is a set of rules that governs the data transmission from sender to receiver devices. Now comes the type of network. A computer network may be small or big depending upon the number of computers and other network devices linked together. Network varies in size, complexity and geographical spread. A network may be on a table within a room, building, city, country or across continents or around the world. And then comes the type of networks. On the basis of geographical spread, we can classify them as PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN, and now we are going to study them in detail. First of all, the PAN, most famous and it can be seen in our home also, personal area network, where we connect our smartphones, our tablets or laptops to a Wi-Fi connection or to Bluetooth tethering and all. PAN is a small network used to establish communication between computer and other handheld devices like smartphones in the proximity up to 10 meters using wired USB connectivity or wireless system like Bluetooth and infrared. PAN are used to connect computers, laptops, mobiles and other IT enabled devices to transfer files like emails, digital photographs, audio, video, etc. And if we have a look at the next one, that is LAN, a local area network in which we can connect multiple computers through various hardware devices like switches and routers, and also like printers, plotters, faxes, other hardware devices can also be connected to a LAN. A LAN is privately owned computer network which may cover an office or building, or sometimes they are established in home also. So LAN may cover an area spread over few meters to few kilometers rather, and it can be owned by a single person or an organization. It can be set up with the help of wired media as well as wireless media. If LAN is set up using unguided media, it is called WLAN, that is wireless LAN. The key purpose of LAN is to share resources. They may be the data, program, printer, disk, modem, etc. Its speed is from 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps. So have a look at the Metropolitan area network, which is interconnection of many LANs across the city. And MAN usually interconnect a number of LANs and individual computers also. This span is whole city or surrounding areas. All type of communication medias like guided and unguided can be used to establish a LAN. MAN. And MAN is typically owned by a single entity, government body or larger corporation. A cable TV network is the available in the whole city is the biggest good example of MAN. Now here is wide area network, which may span over a continent, across countries, or sometime around the globe. So WAN is generally used to interconnect several type of other networks like LANs and MANs, and they facilitate fast and efficient exchange of information at a high speed and low cost. WAN uses common carriers like satellite system and telephone lines, and the area it covers spans within the radius from hundreds of kilometers. And network of banks, government offices, ATMs, international organizations can be an example to WAN. And all type of communication media like guided and unguided can be used to set up a WAN. Internet is the largest WAN spanning the entire planet. And here we can have a look at the WAN, which is spread across the globe, which is a collection of many LAN, as LAN, MAN, PAN and other LAN. So now we discuss the basic basic difference between LAN and WAN. LAN spreads over a small area, whereas WAN spreads over a very large area. LAN is its cost is usually less to set up, and for WAN its cost is higher. And in case of LAN, it is usually a single network, whereas in case of WAN, it is usually a network of many networks. And when we compare all these four type of networks, PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, on the basis of certain parameters. So when we talk about area covered, so PAN, small area, 10-meter radius, and LAN, it covers the buildings or a campus up to 10 kilometers, MAN up to 100 kilometer radius in a city, and WAN entire country, continental globe. And in case of networking cost, it's negligible in case of PAN, and it goes on increasing as we move to LAN, WAN, PAN and WAN, which is very expensive. Similar is the transmission speed. High speed in case of WAN, it goes on decreasing from LAN, MAN to WAN. Lowest in case of WAN. Error rate is lowest in case of PAN, but highest in case of WAN. And network devices used, WLAN, USB dongle is used in case of PAN, and LAN, hub switches, repeater, modems are used in case of LAN. Router and gateway are used in MAN and WAN. Technology media used, infrared and Bluetooth technologies are used in PAN. Ethernet Wi-Fi is used in LAN. Optical fiber, radio wave, microwave used in MAN, and microwave and satellite links are used in WAN. So if you want to refer quality content to these topics, you can refer these two books, and feel free to ask any question related to this topic. See you in the next topic. Thank you.